While president at NSA New Mexico 2011 and 2012, I was looking for benefits that would truly support all our publishing needs. We found a digital vending machine, and for 25%, we can have our books digitally download, collected the money, and put into our bank accounts effortlessly. All we have to do is upload the content. Certainly you can have your own shopping cart and we can hook you up there as well. But then there's fixed costs, and wouldn't you like to be in a catalog of books, of speakers, rather than the 4 million on Amazon or the only one book on your shopping cart? This collaborative answer makes sense, and we look forward to sharing with you as soon as you can bring your content to us. We do encourage 17 different formats of ebooks, so they go effortlessly into each of the formats. And we look forward to having you be a member of NSA New Mexico or the digital vending machine through Masters of Influence Publishing, and we can move forward in a way that's exciting for us all.